Hey guys, so I am cooking really quickly for breakfast, Sunday breakfast. I
What you need is add 2 eggs, one half bell pepper, 2 ounce black beans, one fourth of an onion, three mushrooms, and a pinch of garlic and pepper.
I am making. I don't even think it's gonna be an omelet. Just using the leftovers. If you go to my accountability live yesterday, I made tacos, so I'm to taking some of the beans from that. Um, and I made some new vegetables. And get her done. My eggs. Pretty little baby. I think actually maybe I'll make an omelet and then I'll have some for tomorrow. A bit of garlic powder. A little bit of garlic powder in my life. Just kidding. Um, do 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 do.
This is where I put the garlic, the pepper, and the paprika. Spray the pan.
Oopsies.
I'm using leftover black beans, but just follow what I put in the description.
Some of the black bean for my protein. And that be that. Do, 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 do. Probably should have put it in a bigger bowl or pan, but that's okay. Y'all, this about to not be good. I can already tell. I'm not gonna be able to cook this. Boing, boing, boing. Ding, ding, ding. I really wanted an omelet, not a fiddle. Yeah. Oh, we'll do that. So that is my portion for tomorrow. I did half and half. All right. And I have a little bit of salsa, and that'll be that. See you guys later.